Well, today was a bit hot out there, but nothing too atypical for this time of the year. But we've got some big changes on the way. It's going to get a lot hotter starting as soon as tomorrow, as much as 5 to 10 degrees hotter than what we saw today. Temperatures right now are in the upper 70s to 80 degrees in a few locations, so it's warm and muggy night out there. That's a pretty big difference from last night. Right now, we have dew points in the lower to mid 70s when last night we were in the 60s, so we're starting to see that humidity on the uptick, which is going to be a big factor in our hot and humid stretch as we go forward. Skies are mainly clear right now as this ridge of high pressure begins to build on in, bringing in the hot and humid conditions with the jet stream lifting well to the north. And on the other side of this ridge, we have cool to downright chilly enough conditions to produce snow showers in the Rocky Mountains, where there's a winter weather advisory in effect for a chunk of southern Montana. So pretty interesting stuff right there. For us, though, it's about the heat and the humidity. Now, first of all, the humidity is not going to be going anywhere for the next few days. It's going to remain right around or above 70 degrees for those dew point values. But I think by the time we get to Thursday into Friday, heat levels should be coming down a bit, but still going to be a bit on that hot side. Now, when you combine temperatures in the upper 90s and the high humidity values, feels like temperatures are going to be over 100 degrees. For Monday afternoon, even above 105 for a few select locations. So the heat index or the feels like temperatures will still be above 100 degrees for a day on Tuesday. And then Wednesday, really not too much better. Still going to be a very steamy day, maybe feeling slightly better out there, but still heat indices over 100 degrees. Something to consider. A good reminder as we enter these hotter times when temperatures, actual air temperatures, get well into the 90s. Concrete and asphalt could get as hot to 125 to 140 degrees. So Paul bird time for those furry friends could be as much as 5 to 1 minute. So just something to consider when you're taking those pets out during the afternoon of really hot days. Best to do it during the early morning hours and the late evening hours for the safest times for your pet. The next couple of days going to be sunny with a few afternoon cumulus clouds developing and very hot and steamy out there. Now, Wednesday, yes, it is going to be a very hot day, but I think the difference with Wednesday is that we are going to introduce the chance for isolated showers and maybe a few thunderstorms. And if you get caught in one of these thunderstorms, your temperatures are going to be dropping a bit. So a little bit of relief on that end, and I would definitely watch out the potential for those storms then and even going into the end of the week. Now, these actual air temperatures that we're forecasting will be in the upper 90s to 100. So this is close to record territory. So we're going to be watching this along with the record maximum low temperatures, mid 70s. And this is around the forecasted range we're expecting for the low temperatures for the next few days. So even these temperatures will be challenged. So definitely some impressive stuff with the heat. We're definitely going to be watching this and potentially seeing some records broken with these high and low temperatures for the next few days. And even tonight, it's going to be mild and muggy out there as temperatures only drop into the mid and upper 70s. Marine forecast tomorrow, winds at around 5 to as much as 50 knots out there. Tomorrow, a very steamy day, 94 to 95 degrees with a mainly sunny sky. Feels like temperatures over 105 degrees for a select few locations out there. And 100 degrees for Tuesday. That's the forecast we're going with. 97 on Wednesday with a chance for a few thunderstorms in the afternoon. Slightly lower heat values by the end of the week, but still a bit unsettled with a few showers and thunderstorms at times possible.